All right, here's the next device, or rather, next three devices. They're all the same here. Let's take a look at this one. You see it's mounted on a back box. It looks like it's kind of made for this unit. You see it says JC up here, and it says pull fire. Pull it, handle pops down. There's a little thing in there. It pops down as well, prevents you from resetting it. And there's a little hole over here where a little tool would go to actually let you reset. Let's take a look at this one here. And same thing, except this one just has extra paint on it. This is a standard electric time model SFA-10-2. 120 volt AC, 24 volt DC at 3 amp and 2 amp respectively. Non-coded fire alarm box. You can see a little sticker here. To reset, raise door, insert key in hole on center right side of station. Rotate upward and push door in and release key. The key they are talking about is one of these. You can see it's got two different ends on it. This end is what you use to reset it. This end here, I believe, is used if this were to have like a pre-signal contact or a general alarm contact. I believe there'd be an extra switch there. You just insert that and turn there. So you put this into the side, turn this up, push up, down, and go. Just like that. Let's take a look at the mounting plate here. It's got screw terminals on the back, 4 of them in total, but only 2 are used. It's a funky switch design. See SFA-10-2, and I'm assuming is like a date code or something, 8204, and it's got a Union Made sticker. Gotta love unions. So this switch, it has 2 pieces to it. There's the main piece, which is this big part here. You can hear it click. And then the second piece is this little inner part here. You can see that also has a little spring in it, and it's very, very stiff. So it's built that way because of the pull station itself. Take a look at it from the back. So I'm going to hold my thumb here, watch my thumb. Right, so I have that on there. When you pull the handle down, and so you get a little bit of counter rotation on the little piece before it can drop down. Again, that's the way that this thing is built. It's actually kind of cool. This little piece here on the station is actually what would break a little brake rod. So you put a brake rod in here, and you pull, this breaks the rod. Now, if you want to test it, what you can do is you can take the little tool, you can take either end of it, turn that little bit to the right. Now, the brake rod will get missed by the little metal piece here, so it won't break, so you can just test it, and then you can put that back, and all will be well, and you don't have to waste a brake rod. You just turn that back, and you're done. Let's take a look at these instructions here. You can see they did make both single action and dual action variants of these. SFA-10 is single action. SFA-11 is dual action. And on the back here, you've got instructions on how to mount it. So you have standard back box, single gang. Then you have a 4-inch back box with an adapter. Or you have this little custom back box here for surface mounting, which I do not believe that this mentions anything about the boxes, but this box here is the one that you would use. I believe the model number is like SBX or something like that. I'll edit in a tag to this video telling you what the model number would be. So that's those. Let's move on to the next couple of devices.